Hi everyone, today I would like to show you how to add moonbeam to your metamask so you can start using moonriver. The first thing you go to is moonbeam.network.tutorials how to connect metamask to moonbeam. I'll leave this link down in the description. Then you go over to metamask. And you're going to go to, click on this little thing here and go to add network. Then when you're at the moonbeam link, when you scroll down, you're going to come to, go down, or I just lost it right there. And this is what you need right here. So I'm just going to copy and paste. Name, paste. Just very easy to connect it. And the chain ID is 1284. Let's put in 1284, the main currency symbol, and the block explorer. Let's get that in there too. It says optional. I always like to add these in there. And go to save. So now when you come over here, it's in there now. Now you can start using moonriver. Thank you for watching, and please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe.